Awesome.
Okay, so let me get out my
Hey, can you just pour the
happy
Orange
plate of
juice.
bacon?
Just right in your mouth.
I mean, that's fine.
Make some little parts.
Okay, so I have my happy plate of bacon.
Why is it happy?
Because I designed it into a flower. So I took 12 ounces, one package. I like HEB sugar-free bacon. It's low-carb friendly for us keto kids. And I just sliced it in half, so that way it's easier to wrap around the jalapeños. And then, so in the recipe that we have posted online, we talk about ribbing and de-seeding the jalapeños. I'm not about that life.
So, you got
Oh,
gloves.
and thank you, Marissa Gonzalez, for Cecile for liking the.
Melissa's
Yes,
sister.
thank you.
Melissa's sister, what? Did she say rude too? Real rude.
You want me to
Rude.
show you a little trick?
Yeah, I love a good
Bacon?
trick. Let's do this. I got toothpicks and
Bacon
everything.
trick?
I'm gonna watch you
Just
flex.
on the bacon. Here.
All right.
So you take your bacon.
Okay.
There we go.
Got it there. So you just take your knife. What it does, it helps expand the bacon and just run it.
Oh, look at you.
Ooh.
So this is one of the things we learned in competition barbecue. It just kind of stretches it out a little bit.
That's cool.
So yeah, so next time, all you have to do is wrap it up and it
Lovely.
gives about another inch.
Yeah. We're talking about the bacon. Right?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
all right, all
And
right.
she'll make you flinch.
Oh, golly. Is anybody
right.
else uncomfortable?
So you want me to cut these?
Yes, please. You can just slice them right down the center because no, keep that bad boy on there. We're keeping everything. And they've been washed already. So just prefacing that.
So one thing you want to do, most people probably done the jalapeno poppers, is wear gloves
Oh God, yes.
because
Especially if you wear contact lenses.
Don't touch
Yeah.
your eyeballs.
Touch your face.
Or
Touch.
anywhere, really.
touch your eyeballs, teeth, all anything.
Hey, press the button. Is that how you want it done?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, simple. Even you got a funky one there.
Oh, I have another one if we want to toss that one.
What's wrong with that one? That was a little.
Good.
It's a little funny.
That one's got cooties.
Cooties.
A little bit of cooties.
Joe's gonna eat that one later.
Yeah, it's just. It's not perfect, but it's
Put
alright.
that there.
Man, jalapeno worm in that one.
Ew. My gloves are blue.
They are blue.
They're fancy.
Blue like 1836 gloves.
Yeah, I got fancy gloves.
There you go. They cut the cooties out.
Oh Lord, literally.
You just want them back on here, right?
Mhm. And then while you're doing that, I have a cup and a half of shredded cheese in here. I'm going to mix 8 ounces,
Yeah.
1 block
That
of
might burn a
cream
little bit.
cheese.
I don't know if doing it with that one.
Yeah, that would hurt.
And then I have 4 tablespoons of sour cream. I don't know, I pre-measured everything. This is what I get for pre-measuring. I lose count of stuff. Those.
So, one thing that, because we also make salsa, is one thing that to look for. So these really don't have it.
The veins.
There's veins, little veins.
Yeah.
The more veins, the spicier they are. Living in Texas, a lot of the guys I hang around with or work with, that's what they tell me, you know. Guys from
I got taught
Mexico.
the same thing.
Yeah.
Um,
So spicy, look for the veins if you like it spicy. Not so spicy, absolutely like no veins. Can we that camera real quick? So this one's smooth.
Yeah.
Actually,
they're all pretty smooth.
yeah.
I didn't pick these. I'd like to preface that. I did curbside pickup at a store that shall not be named.
HEB.
Oh my gosh, someone said it.
Must be a what? Oh, shit. Pinche güero.
Oh my gosh. So I have half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I have half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and then a quarter teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm just going to, yes, stir.
Switch it.
Okay. And I'm just gonna, this isn't mixing very well. I think I need muscles.
Joe.
Joe's
Mars
up
still
next.
burning. No, I'm kidding. Here, I'll do it.
Marissa Gonzalez Saccio? Saccio.
Ooh, that's fancy.
Jalissa's sister.
Yeah.
What do you have to do to be in the live audience?
Come
Show
be in
up.
the live audience. Oh, bring beer.
Yeah.
Beer.
My sister doesn't drink.
We do though.
Margaritas.
Bring water.
Okay.
No beer. Bring beer.
Or Gatorade.
Margaritas.
The more the merrier.
Pedialyte, might need it at the end of the show.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is shout out Marissa.
Aww.
She is a police officer at San Antonio.
Thank you so much. We
Community
appreciate you.
For sure. Absolutely. What am I supposed to do with this?
You're supposed to mix it. You're the muscles in the beer.
I can mix it. I got muscles.
Hey, look, it's easier to do like this.
I'm gonna watch you guys assemble these.
Oh, grab some gloves.
Let me wash my hands.
20 seconds, just like Myra said. I got
Is there a song in this
gloves.
So yeah, we can just keep those here.
Gloves for you.
Oh, have a birthday song?
Twice.
Oh.
Oh, these are extra large gloves. We're mighty full of ourselves, aren't we?
Look at those hands. I mean, do they look like a medium or a small?
I have 3X hands.
Someone behind us is really full of themselves with his 3X
really is.
hands.
3X.
Look at these hands.
I pound basketballs with these hands.
It's crazy because you're like,
I know.
Big hands.
My mom was like, "Oh, look at his hands. He's gonna be so tall." I'm like, I'm not a dog. I don't like that.
those paws.
Those
It's the
paws.
paws.
Alright, I'm gonna stand on the side and watch you guys
We need
assemble. I mean, you could, I just use it as a form of measurement. I just tablespoon them in there, get them all good and slathered.
We got clothes on.
And then I will. Oh, look at you.
That's how we make them.
I like your style, sir.
So basically,
Oh yeah, I want some good dad jokes. It's Father's Day.
Dad jokes. Dad jokes. Don't put me on the spot with jokes.
Let's see, what kind of dad jokes? Oh dang, I'm not prepared. I gave you a butter knife, so that way you could, oh god.
Jesus.
Remember that time when Joe came to work with you on the barbecue truck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, this is smooth. Look at this. Perfect.
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 Mm-hmm.
All right. Toothpicks.
Toothpicks right here. I'll put some right there for you.
Don't get ripped at all.
I mean, you really
No,
don't need
I mean,
Look,
they're not even that
sticks.
spicy. You're fine.
Okay.
Don't
I'm
cry.
not worried about the
There's
spice.
no crying in baseball.
I'm not crying. It's okay.
Rub some dirt on it.
Mhm.
Such a good
Does
movie.
anybody that's watching have dad jokes?
Talk to
thanks,
us.
Thanks,
Talk to
Marissa.
us.
She said, sign me up for the next show. Let me know what to bring. So, actually, speaking of which, next weekend, Joe is going to be in Washington, and Chris and I are getting a much-needed unpaid vacation.
And I'll be doing the show in Washington with my brothers from another mother from the military.
So, while Joe's working, Chris and I will be drinking by the river.
Yeah.
Probably with Chris's cousin.
Hi, Alina.
Yeah. Doing such a good job. I'll just let you keep doing that, and I'll wrap it with the bacon.
Team effort.
I mean,
Look at this.
really don't need.
Yeah, no, it's looking good. And then, so our next film weekend is July 3rd, and of course we are celebrating our wonderful nation's birthday,
4th of July.
4th of July. Do you guys know anything about Sam Eagle from the Muppets?
Alina Smith says, that's me.
Hi, Alina, love you.
What's up, cuz? How's Garrett doing?
Oh,
Speaking of balls.
I forgot to mention, we did make today's cocktail in honor of our beloved Garrett and his fuzzy balls. Also, if you guys want to follow my Instagram page at Chrissy's Confections, you'll see Garrett's 100% juice, no seeds, happy vasectomy cake. That's coming out tomorrow. And I even put happy little sperm on it.
Hey, it's legit.
Alina says his fuzzy balls are much
Oh,
better.
good. I'm glad to hear your fuzzy balls are much better today. That makes us happy. Just keep ice on them bad boys. So yeah, so for 4th of July weekend, well, July 3rd, we are doing smash burgers.
Smash burgers.
We gotta figure out some kind of awesome combinations to throw in those bad boys.
Corn.
The burgers?
No, in the burgers.
Oh,
No,
I was like,
Oh, smash burgers, bacon, of course,
Bacon, yeah.
cheese.
all the good stuff, jalapeños,
Jalapeños.
onions, and then we are actually going to make, I don't know if this is the correct term for them, but it's what we call them. We do Mexican hot dogs, and they are not your traditional hot dog. It's a spicy hot link sausage,
Got the red links.
the red link,
Red.
and we
Do sauteed onions and peppers and
So
And
yeah.
I actually, so Joe and I lived in Washington for a little while, where Joe is going next weekend, Washington State, while he was on the USS Michigan, and we would go out on the weekends and like find the best bar food. And we came across this guy who sold hot dogs, and he put cream cheese on the bun of the hot dog.
Oh my gosh, that sounds so
Changed our lives.
forever and ever.
I love cream cheese.
Forever.
Yes.
I have everything.
So we're gonna throw some cream cheese on those buns.
Yeah.
We're gonna put some
I
avocado.
think we need to reach out
But it
to
became like
Philly.
famous because like even when we went to Hawaii,
Yes.
and I was stationed in Hawaii, and they have a hot dog called a puka dog.
Puka dog.
Puka dog, yeah.
Puka
So-
means whole. So
Okay.
they actually bake
Like
the
a
hot
cubby.
dog inside the like little
Little
bun.
cubby,
Yeah.
yeah.
So think of like a kolache almost.
Yeah, like a kolache. So, but in a puka dog, they put in the hot dog inside. They burrow out a little hole. They put the hot dog in the hole of a French bread,
Yes.
and then inside of it, they'll put like what is it, like a papaya.
I mean, they had like mango relish. They had everything. Which stay tuned because we're gonna bring you back some cool stuff from Hawaii. So
Because
that
we're
way we
going to
can-
Hawaii. We're gonna do a Hawaii episode.
We're gonna make
We're gonna
some
go to
good
Luau
stuff.
maybe. Maybe even go to Puka Dog.
We can go to Leonard's Malasadas and bring you back some donuts,
We'll get a manapua.
some Kona coffee.
She's gonna take an empty suitcase, 063010.
Yes, I'm gonna take an empty suitcase so that way I can bring you back all the good stuff.
Cool.
But in the meantime, how about some dad jokes?
Dad jokes.
Dad jokes.
What kind of socks do you need to plant asparagus?
I don't know what.
Garden hose.
God knows that.
What did the pecan say to the walnut?
What?
We're friends because we're both nuts.
Is that really a dad joke?
We just need to go to.
Mother's
You guys are nuts. You guys are nuts.
You guys are nutty.
My buddy Ryan Brass, he just constantly posts these dad jokes.
They're pretty great.
They're great. They're amazing. Like that's his whole life is dad jokes, and he's a coach for like high school football.
Nice.
And that's what he posts. Football
That's funny.
and dad jokes.
I
I'm all about it, really.
That joke.
Where did the broccoli go to have a few drinks?
Where?
The salad bar.
No. The salad bar.
Hey, do you guys want to hear a dad joke about pizza?
Yeah, sure.
Never mind, it's too cheesy.
That's a Charlie joke.
Oh, here we go. Why are butchers so hilarious?
Why?
They always ham it up. And the last one, why did the skeleton go to the barbecue?
Why?
To get another rib.
Hey.
Yay! We're not paid to be funny, guys.
Because we're not.
We're not.
Take it for what it's worth.
That's all that matters.
Oh, no.
Kid friendly.
Oh no.
I got you. I got you.
I was like, I don't care about jalapenos. They don't burn me.
Oh,
There you go, Pete.
no, that's a bad
Oh,
choice.
It got me.
It's bad time.
What's that?
I can smell the potato.
Jalapenos
Oh,
don't
yeah.
burn me.
They do. They burn.
No, they don't. Not me.
Yeah,
I've
you do.
made my guac before and then gone to throw in my contacts.
Ooh. That was
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Because I'm 100% Hispanic.
So,
I'm immune to it.
Beautiful.
got 2 extra.
All right. So we're going to take these and put them into the oven, 400 degrees.
Oh, let me see that real quick.
Watch this.
No.
Wait.
I'm just kidding.
No.
Oh,
You
like,
gotta see it. You gotta see it for the.
Ooh.
so we're gonna stick them in 400 degrees for 15 minutes. I would tell my Alexa to set the timer, but Alexa's been slacking. I don't think she works here anymore. She's rude.
Oh no, we did not get it on this camera.
We're killing it today.
No, good dude.
No, I'm gonna take this outside then. I'm gonna.
Oh, Lord
I mean,
have
yeah.
mercy. He's a mess.
Yeah.
You have to hold on to your fork.
The happiest dog ever.
One happy
One
dog.
here.
That dog is so happy right now.
Oh, yeah. Frankie's got himself a bone.
Well, do you guys want to try a jalapeno popper first, and
Oh,
then
yeah.
we'll go
Yeah.
cheesecake? All right. Pick a good one.
Awesome. Dash.
Alright, cheers, man. Oh, sparkler.
Maspika. Shit. Is that mine?
Yes.
It's good.
It's got
Really
a
good.
great kick.
See, it was a good idea to leave those seeds in.
I don't know about them goddamn veins anymore. Shit.
It's good. The flavor was good. I was like, oh, it's a little spicy.
It is a little spicy. I ain't gonna lie. I can take a lot of spice. That one just lit me up.
Alright, so I'm gonna cut our cheesecake.
Oh, I know why.
Because it's seeds in the beans right.
We left the seeds.
Yeah.
So if you don't like super spicy,
I love spicy, but that.
I'm
and
just
I
gonna
love
do a
spicy
baby
spice as well. That's
here. That way
perfect
I don't
spice for
lose
me.
appetite.
I can eat, habaneros straight. So that's really good to me. But if you don't like really spicy, if you don't like kind of spicy, then just take out the seeds, take out the insides of it, just scoop it all out, and it's fine.
Okay, so